Is flying really dangerous? Many passengers think so. But here's the reality. Flying is one of the safest ways to get from point A to B. To put this into perspective, consider this. Flying is less risky than driving. Think about it. You buckle up in your car every day, navigating through traffic, weather conditions, and countless other vehicles. Each year, millions of people drive, and accidents occur. In contrast, when you board an airplane, you're stepping into a meticulously engineered machine that has undergone rigorous testing and maintenance. Here's the surprising part. Commercial aviation has built a layer of safety thicker than the clouds. For instance, modern airplanes are designed with multiple backup systems for critical functions. If one engine fails, there's another ready to take over. Pilots are trained in scenarios that include emergencies, and they undergo regular simulations to keep their skills sharp. Now, let's talk numbers. The odds of being involved in a plane crash are incredibly rare, less than 1 in a million. To put that in everyday terms, you're more likely to win a lottery than to be in a plane accident. Plus, advancements in technology and safety procedures mean that flying gets safer every year. So the next time you're buckled in at 30,000 feet, remember, flying isn't just safe, it's one of the safest ways to travel. It's designed that way, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. The numbers back that up, and the systems in place work tirelessly to keep you safe. Want to learn more about what makes flying so reliable? Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring. Many passengers wonder, how can pilots handle emergencies so calmly? The answer lies in their rigorous training. It's a bit like preparing for a marathon. You don't just wake up and run 26 miles. You train for years, building endurance and learning how to respond to all kinds of challenges. Pilots start their journey with hundreds of hours in a simulator. These simulators are incredibly realistic, mimicking every possible scenario from the routine to the extreme. They can practice handling engine failures, bad weather, or even cockpit malfunctions, all without leaving the ground. And here's the surprising part. These simulations are designed to be challenging, pushing pilots to think critically and stay composed under pressure. Once they've mastered the simulator, they move on to actual flight training. This includes thousands of hours flying smaller aircraft before they ever set foot in a commercial airliner. Think of it like learning to drive a car before jumping into a bus. Flying small planes helps them refine their skills and build confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Even after becoming a commercial pilot, they continue their education. Pilots undergo regular checkups and recurrent training sessions to keep their skills sharp and stay updated on new procedures. So when you're sitting in your seat, remember that the person at the controls has gone through extensive training. They're not just skilled flyers, they're experts ready for anything. Knowing this can make your flight feel a little more reassuring. Next time you board, take comfort in the incredible expertise behind the cockpit door. And if you're curious about what else helps make flying safe, stick around. Many passengers worry about what could go wrong during a flight, but here's the reassuring truth. Modern aircraft are built with multiple layers of safety systems. Think of it like driving a car that's packed with backup brakes and advanced airbags. Just as those features work together to keep you safe, planes are designed with a variety of redundancies and safeguards. For starters, every commercial airplane has multiple engines. Most are designed to fly perfectly well on just one. It's like having a car that can still drive home even if one of its wheels goes flat. This redundancy is crucial because it means even if something unexpected happens, the aircraft can still operate safely. And here's the surprising part. Planes are also equipped with advanced technology to monitor their systems. Imagine your car alerting you before it runs out of gas or before something needs attention. Aircraft have similar systems that continuously check everything from engine performance to cabin pressure. If something isn't quite right, pilots receive alerts, allowing them to take action before any issue becomes serious. Moreover, the materials used in aircraft construction are incredibly strong, yet lightweight. They are designed to withstand extreme conditions, from high altitudes to severe weather, much like how a well-made raincoat keeps you dry in a storm. Ultimately, when you board a plane, you're stepping into a marvel of engineering. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about flying in an incredibly safe environment, designed with your safety in mind. So the next time you buckle up, remember that you're surrounded by layers of protection that keep you well cared for throughout your journey. Have you ever wondered how planes avoid each other in the vast sky? It's all thanks to air traffic control, which is often overlooked by passengers. Think of air traffic controllers as the traffic lights in the sky, managing the movement of aircraft just like lights direct cars at busy intersections. When a plane takes off, it isn't just soaring into the wild blue yonder. Air traffic controllers are watching every move. They use radar and advanced technology to track the position, speed, and altitude of every aircraft in their airspace. Imagine a conductor orchestrating a symphony. Each instrument needs to play in perfect harmony to avoid chaos. That's what controllers do with planes. Here's the surprising part. While it may look like planes are flying freely, they're actually following specific routes and altitudes. This system helps keep planes separated by safe distances, typically 5 miles apart horizontally and a minimum of 1,000 feet vertically. That's like keeping a safe gap between cars on a busy highway. Controllers constantly communicate with pilots to adjust altitudes and speeds, much like a traffic officer directing traffic to prevent jams. And if weather conditions change or an emergency pops up, controllers are trained to reroute planes instantly. They have contingency plans ready to go, making quick decisions that keep everyone safe. In fact, the US has over 14,000 flights each day, and the vast majority of them arrive safely thanks to the diligent work of air traffic controllers. So, next time you board a flight, remember that there's a whole team of professionals working behind the scenes to ensure your safety in the sky. They're the unsung heroes, quietly preventing collisions and coordinating every flight. Isn't that reassuring? So, what does it all mean for you, the passenger? First and foremost, aviation is incredibly safe. You might not realize it, but every flight is like a well-choreographed dance, with pilots, air traffic control, and advanced technology all working together to ensure you get to your destination safely. Think of flying as riding a giant high-tech roller coaster. The ride is meticulously designed to keep you safe, with engineers and safety experts ensuring every twist and turn is accounted for. The pilots, much like roller coaster operators, undergo extensive training. They practice in simulators that replicate everything from normal flying conditions to rare emergencies. That's right, those pilots you see in the cockpit have spent thousands of hours honing their skills, and they're ready for just about anything. And here's the surprising part. The technology in planes today is more advanced than you might think. Modern aircraft are equipped with multiple backup systems. If one fails, another kicks in seamlessly. It's like having a spare tire on your car. In fact, a typical flight has so many layers of safety built in that the odds of something going wrong are astronomically low, far less than the chances of being in a car accident. So the next time you buckle up for a flight, remember all the people and technology working behind the scenes. They're dedicated to getting you safely to your destination. If you found this insightful, consider subscribing for more fascinating aviation insights.